Hello guys, today we have a really small and cheap terrarium for you today. So the only thing in there is just some carpet moss, soil and a really small piece of bark for this size terrarium. So I will pick it up and show you guys up close. Here is the really small and tiny piece of bark here. I'ma put it back in and show you the carpet moss now. So I'm going to pick it up now. Wait, no, zoom in so you guys can see, and so I can pick up the carpet moss. Here, now look at it. I will just show you outside presentation of my terrarium. Pretty small, right? I will pick it up now. Oh, never mind. This terrarium took somehow too long.